Welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial today. This video is sponsored by KlaiyiHair, so I do want to say thank you to them for sponsoring this video today. So I am going to be reviewing a lace front wig from them today. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. So you have two combs in the front, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps. As you did see, you do get elastic bands you can put inside this wig if you do want to. So this unit, it does come with baby hairs attached to it. The lace is going to be medium brown, and this is their Jerry Curly Human Hair Wig. I don't know the density on this unit, but I want to say it's 150, but I'm not sure. But the hair, does have a nice density. And it's also 22 inches, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig. So starting out, I did already go ahead and apply my ball cap. I do use the stocking leggings for my ball cap. So I did already apply that first, and I did just want to see how this unit looked before I applied my foundation. So the foundation I'm going to be using is the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir in the color 765 Tawny. I'm going to now apply that on my ball cap, but I'm not going to apply that underneath the lace on the wig, because the lace on the wig is a medium brown lace and it's a smidget darker than I am, so there was no need to apply any foundation to the lace for me. After I apply that, I am just going to cut the ear tabs off on this unit, and I did show you how this unit looked before I did bleach the knots, and the knots have been bleached now, so the curls still look the same. They're real pretty and still full. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lace glue. I did apply 2 layers of glue. This glue I did just receive, and I was kind of having problems with the glue only because it sat at the post office, and so I think the glue kind of messed up. So you will see like the glue doesn't look like it dried down, which it didn't, and I do have a new glue now. So with this unit, I did get a good melt, but it was because of my lace glue. So this unit, it does lay down flat. I do like how it laid down. So now I'm just laying the unit, like I said, down to the glue. I did have to go in and apply a little bit of got-to-be glue only because of the lace glue. I think it kind of separated because I'm in Texas, and over here we did have a storm, so the glue kind of I guess kind of messed up from the storm, because you're supposed to keep it at room temperature. So now that I'm applying the wig down, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. And this is what I mean when you can see like the glue looks a little bit white. And it's because of how the weather messed it up. It kind of separated like the ingredients, I guess, and it kind of make it sticky and whatever. But it does get fine. I did spray a little bit of got-to-be glue freezing spray, and that kind of helped me, so it dried it down, which I didn't have any problems after that. After I did go ahead and cut that lace, I am plucking behind the hairline. This wig comes with baby hairs, but I took them out, and then I took away some extra hair that I wanted to use. So I'm just plucking that just to kind of get it the way I want it. And then I'm using my razor comb to go ahead and cut those down. And then I did use some mousse just to lay them down, like to get them however I wanted to lay them. After that, I did go ahead and wrap them. And now I'm taking my KlaiyiHair wax stick to go ahead and flatten the front of the frontal. So I'm just going to go in and part the hair and just flatten it down to get it to lay flat in the front. I forgot who I seen that used to do this, but their wigs used to be very flawless, even with curly units. So I like to do that with mine so that it doesn't look poofy on top. It kind of looks natural. After that, I'm going to go in with some water just to go ahead and bring my curls back to life. And then I am going to go in with some mousse as well, just to help tame the curls. And as you can see, this hair is so freaking full and the curls are so pretty. With this unit, you are going to get shedding because it is a curly unit. And then with the tangling, I didn't get much tangling at all. But the curls are so full and big. It's very, very, very pretty. After that, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. Only in the part because my part was a little bit dark and I want to brighten it up just a little bit. So I'm applying that concealer only in the parting space. And again, that was the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. And then after that, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance palette. And I'm going to be taking the Sculpt shade out of that palette. And I'm just going to put that on top of that concealer. But yeah, as y'all see how this hair looks, it gets just a little bit more bigger than this, and it looks so freaking pretty. I just let the hair air dry, and that was it. I didn't apply any gel. So after this next clip, you are going to see the hair full, like without, you know, any gel or whatever. And this hair is so freaking gorgeous. They always have the best hair quality to me, and I love, love, love Klaiy's hair, like their wigs. So please do check the link out in the description box to check out this wig. There will be a coupon code as well. I highly, highly recommend them. I love their freaking hair, and this is my third time working with them, so I really, really do appreciate them. And I will see you guys in my next video.